The whole session is passed like that only, that you behave like this only, that you are blank. You don't understood anything. So now, good morning once again. Good morning to everyone. Please be ready. Open your graph notebook. I will give you few sums. Today we are going to do bar graph. Again, we are going to do bar graph. I will focus mainly on the scaling, because yesterday we have taken the scaling on the basis of 1 centimeter equals to one member, one people, one child, whatever. It was taken only 1 centimeter basis of that. When the numbers will big, then in that case what you will do? I have sent the video. Many of you must have seen the video also. Yes.
Ma'am, we will change the unit and like that 1 unit equals to 3 members.
Very good. Or 1 unit equals to 5, or 1 unit equals to
10.
10.
Ma'am,
Right?
I done 10.
Yes.
1 unit
So,
is equal to 10.
yes. That's
Ma'am, is
how.
this page okay?
Yes, graph paper. Okay. Now, how to take this unit? If I give you, draw a bar graph. Sorry, it's grade 4 maths today. And as smart charts, I'll give you one sum. Draw a bar graph on the basis of the given information which I'll give you. Children, as I told you, you also please make any collect some data and make a bar graph. I have noted few of the students have sent me the recording also, and they have done very nicely. What about the others? I'm expecting from everyone. Okay, good.
Excuse me, ma'am, Parnika speaking.
Yes, Parinika.
Ma'am, my mom told that she will bring today biograph books. So can I do in this? I have written, this is my first
Yes,
book.
yes, you can do, but please do it in the bar graph later on. Okay, graph notebook later on. Okay, bar graph is the bar graph for the following data. Now the question is, question number 1 is in this: favorite color of students.
Ma'am,
Rudra, please do. I'll come back to your problem. Favorite color of students of class 4. Please write everyone in your, this part you will write in the space which is in the lining. So this table part and the writing part you will do on the page which is in the lining part. And then when you draw the graph, that you will draw on the graph paper of class 4. So the table is, this is the information collected. I will write here favorite color, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. If spelling is not visible to you clearly, see, please pay attention on my words, what I'm speaking. C-O-L-O-U-R. Then number of, for number, I'm writing short form N-O dot. Number of students.
ma'am, your board is not properly to see, able to see. It's very blur.
Now check.
But you can pin her, no? You can pin her and then you can see her properly.
Yes,
I have pinned her, then also it's very
No,
blur.
I can see her board very properly. It is not blur. You pin her. It is really very clear.
Renu ma'am.
I can't after pinning her.
Okay, just a minute. Wait a minute. Now please check.
No, ma'am, can you repeat the title? Ma'am, you're visible.
Swati ma'am will tell me. Wait, I will. Swati ma'am, is this completely visible now?
I can see.
Children, please
I was able to see from him first also. I told it is visible properly.
Pin on my board screen and then you will able to see.
Blur at all. So it was visible before also.
Children, 10-15 minutes will go like this only, and then you will not. The heading is favorite color of students of class 4.
Ma'am, this two we have to write in a line page, no?
I have told before only. Before I am starting, that only I have told you that you please do it on the lining page and graph. Yes, this I use this page and graph on the graph paper. Red color is 20. Number of students like 20. Please, someone mic is on. Please mute. Pink color is liked by 10 students. Green color is liked by 15 students. And blue color is liked by 25 students. So when we see on these numbers, are these numbers the multiple of 2? They are coming in the table of 2, all the numbers?
No, ma'am. Some are not. Some are coming in 4.
Yeah.
And
So
some are coming in.
I am asking, are all numbers coming in
No,
4 or
ma'am.
2? Are all
No,
numbers coming in table of 5?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
They
Yes,
are.
yes.
Yes.
They are coming in table of 5. So what we do, we take the scaling here, 5. So when you draw a graph, when you label these, when you write the title first, when you label these axes, horizontal axis, what will come? Favorite color will come. Number of students will come on y-axis. Which type of graph I am making? We have learned 2 type of graph. If I am making bars in this way, which type of graph is this?
Vertical graph.
Vertically, no, it is vertical graph. Samriddhi. And if I make the bars in a sleeping, which type of graph is this?
Horizontal.
Horizontal graph.
Yeah, I am just asking these questions to recall what we have done yesterday. Then after labeling the Y, please, when you put arrow here,
And we have
Y,
to do vertical or horizontal.
in any way you like to, but I am explaining right now the vertical one.
I will do vertical only.
Ma'am, I want to know
It's
one
your
thing.
choice. If you want to do horizontal, you can do horizontal. If you want to do vertical, you can do vertical. But remember, when you are doing vertically, then the the numerical formation will come on y-axis. When you are doing horizontally, the numerical information will come on the x-axis. This will change only. Am I clear, Jandala?
Ma'am, we can make our own numbers.
Numbers are given, my dear. Now why you make own numbers if the information is given to you? Please put it down, those who are showing
video
me.
is really blurred. Even if I have pinned you.
Maybe it sometime happen, maybe network issue from your side, maybe network issue from my side. It will slowly it will go. Okay, so it have some patience.
Ma'am, if in exam there is written draw a bar graph and it is not mentioned vertical or horizontal, so it's our choice.
It's your choice. And you have to use the table, the information which is given to you. So on the horizontal axis, you will mention the favorite colors: red, pink, green and blue. On the vertical axis, you will mention the numbers, the information which is the number of the students. Now here, important thing, what scale you will take. So we write 0 here and 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter. If we are taking the multiples of 5. First we put 5, then we put on the next one unit 10, then we put 15, and then we put 20, and which is the highest number? 25. So we put till the highest number. Next unit will be 25.
Ma'am, we have to write this in bar graph.
Ma'am,
Graph notebook.
Yes. What are you doing from last 15 minutes?
Excuse me, ma'am. This favorite color of students of class 4th, we have to write in lining book, and then this we have to draw in bar book, right?
Parinika, listen now. When I started my class in the beginning, I explained you, I told you the writing part, the question part will come on the lining part. Now, no one will ask the same question again. The writing part, the question part will always come in the lining part, the part which you have to write, right? And the graph will draw on the graph paper. Ayush, can you take your notebook and show it to them? Everyone, please pin Ayush. He is going to...
I can take the 2 blocks bar.
You can take, but with all the gaps, it should go 2 blocks. Then you will write the scaling that 2 unit or 2 centimeter, because here 1 unit is 1 centimeter. When you measure with the scale,
telling to give the space. I am telling that like this.
Ma'am,
Like this I have to do the.
wait, let me pin you. हाँ, Aji, अब बोलो. Now, where are you writing the numbers?
Ma'am, I am.
Your voice is mute. Your mic is mute.
Ma'am, should I take the 2 on 1 or 2 on bar or 1 bar?
See, it's up to you. If you are leaving 2 bars, then in all the numbers, when you put the 10 next number, after 2 bars you will put. It's up to you. So you leave the gap, equal gap in all this. If you're leaving 1, then in all the numbers you will leave 1 box. If you're leaving 2, in all the numbers you will leave 2 boxes. It's up to you. Okay. Then you will write the scaling is 2 centimeter equals to 5 students. Because every 2 centimeter के बाद आपके 5 students increase हो रहे हैं. ध्यान, are you getting me?
Yes.
And if you are taking 1 centimeter scaling, so 1 centimeter equals to 5 students. If you are taking 3 centimeter scaling, 3 centimeter equals to 5 students. It's up to you. But the scaling should go equal. Yes. What child is this? Anvi. Anvi.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to write number of students first, the last, and write the numbers before.
Okay, ma'am. I will change now.
Yeah, please change. Yes. Next is?
Ma'am, I am doubt. Ayush.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, first, my doubt is that the table would come on paragraph of the line.
Again, you are asking the same question. No. It is understood that graph, on the paper of graph, you will not able to write the question, my dear.
Okay. And ma'am, when we make the graph, is it compulsory to write the scale?
Yes.
Is equal to 5.
Title, scale, labeling the horizontal and the vertical axis and the horizontal axis, everything is important.
Okay. And ma'am, can we leave no block space, like 5 is here and 10 is just above the block? So what will we write in scale?
How many students, how many jump is there? 5, 10. So each, this is equals to how many students? Each
5.
1 centimeter. So 5 students.
I didn't understand something.
What?
When we make the graph, so when we make the graph, after the graph, we can leave one block space, 2 block space. It should be equal.
Yes.
But we can also do that. We don't leave any block space.
Without leaving any block space, how you will do? See, without the first block is coming here. If you're not leaving, the next is this. Yes, it can come. But it is equal. It is equal to 1 centimeter.
So, ma'am, what will we write in the scale?
See, look here. This scaling is, if you measure it, if you measure your 1 block, graph block, Can you measure with the scale and tell me how many centimeter it is?
Okay, ma'am. I'll measure one of my graphs. It is 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. That's why I have taken from 0 to this 1 centimeter as the 5 students. And then I have not leave any box. The next box I have taken this again 1 centimeter is equals to 10 students. So my each 1 centimeter is equals to each 1 centimeter is equals to 5 students.
So, ma'am, if we don't leave any space, then
also it is 1 centimeter equals to how many? If it is about the information about students, write the students. If the information about the number of persons, number of fruits, it can be anything.
So, ma'am, if there is no block space, then we have to write 1 centimeter.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
you please measure it, because here you are drawing on the graph paper, then the exact measurement is given. Okay. When you draw on the plain paper also, you take the exact measurement. If I am drawing on the plain paper, please mute your mic. If I am drawing on the plain paper, then also I take the measurement of this and then I put the scale. Please draw this and show me everyone.
Ma'am, I have made it. See.
Yeah. Wait a minute, I'll pin you.
Ma'am, instead of this, I have made another one.
Yes, very good. And wait a minute, Rudra, can you bring little up? Yes, good. Can you color it nicely so that the differentiate can be visible? Jo color iske likhe hue hain, that color only you will use.
Yes,
red,
ma'am.
red, pink.
I have also done.
Ma'am, I have made.
Let me pin you, Vivan. Yes, please show me.
Ma'am, I am saying that which you have given topic, instead of that I have made another one.
That you have made before only. घर से पहले से बना के रखा था.
नहीं मैम, अभी ही बनाया.
Show me. What information you have taken? Where is the title? Where is the scaling? Where is
Here's the title. Here's the scaling.
And but your vertical axis and the horizontal axis is not labeled कि यहाँ पे आपने क्या दिखाया और यहाँ पे आपने क्या दिखाया है, वो label नहीं है.
Ma'am.
Who is saying ma'am?
I'm Rudra Jharjhadia.
Yeah, wait a minute.
You said I don't understand.
What?
Can I go to washroom?
Which is not labeled.
Yeah, please go. हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे आपने क्या दिखाया है, उसका नाम आपने क्यों नहीं लिखा है? और हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस वी आर मेंशनिंग फेवरेट कलर हियर. अगर मैं ये वाला एग्जांपल लेती हूँ तो ऑन वर्टिकल एक्सिस वी आर मेंशनिंग नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. तो आपको लिखना है नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, फेवरेट कलर, वो लेबलिंग करना भी जरूरी है.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Wait a minute, Rudra. Yes, Rudra has done. Yes. Rudra आपने horizontal axis को labeling नहीं किया. नाम तो लिखे हैं colors के red, blue, pink. पर these are the children. When I'm talking to someone, please mute your mics. So Rudra, you need to label this also, okay? Favorite color. इसको नाम दे दो.
मैम किसको नाम लिखूं?
हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे आपने क्या शो किया है? फेवरेट कलर शो किया. तो राइट FAVOURITE, फेवरेट कलर. Yes, Riva, show me.
Ma'am, down.
Riva, where is your graph notebook? Why you have shared the page and you have done on the page?
No, ma'am, I will buy it. My mom has just graph paper, so I will buy it today.
Okay, show it to me.
Yeah.
Riva, right now it's okay that you are taking the bars of 2 to, it's okay because it's a vehicle. Show me your Which child is this? I don't understand. If I'm talking to one child, why your mic is on? Diva, I cannot see your scaling properly. Please show
Ma'am,
me.
I can show you.
Wait a minute, Lakshya.
Ma'am, can I show you? Zoom in. Ma'am, wait, I will do it a little bit of dark.
Lakshya, you have done. Please put it down. Show me. Lakshya, आपकी handwriting clear नहीं है. Title नहीं है. You have not mentioned. Lakshya, I want to see your graph paper. I don't want to see your lining paper.
Ma'am, I have wrote favorite color.
Lakshya, your work is untidy. Use pencil and pen to use the bars.
Ma'am, I have colored it.
What, ma'am?
Wait a minute, children. Priya, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself, please, everyone.
Then I have a doubt.
Mute your first of all. Wait a minute. Lakshya, your work is untidy. Do it again. Use pencil and scale properly. Yes, Dhairya, what is the doubt? Children, those who have done, they please put it on the screen. I will see.
Speakers off.
Have so much.
Can't you understand? She is telling you. Riva Kataria, Rudra Jajaria. Speakers off. Are you deaf or are you not there at your place? Ma'am, can you see still their speakers are on? At least on my screen it is showing that Rudra Jajaria and Riva Kataria has kept their speakers on. And they are nowhere to be seen.
No, ma'am, Riva's mic is off. I can see Riva, but Rudra Jajaria I cannot see. I'm not able to see him. Please, Rudra. Yeah, I am now only talking with Dhairya. Everyone put your work down.
I have a small work, but when I'm labeling, it is coming up then 75. I have to just label till 25.
You can label till 25 also, because our highest number is 25 here. So you stop labeling till 25. Don't write the full table. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I show you mine?
You raise your hand, I will pin you. Right now I'm pinning Priya. Yes, Priya, show me your work. Okay. Priya, why you have made the box? Why you are covered in a box? Outside box मिटा दो उसका सारा. जो ऊपर और right hand side से आपने जो उसको cover किया है, rub it. Okay. And then I will pin you again. Lamha, yes, show me. Do not unmute your mic. Just please take your notebook up. Mute your mic. Okay, your zero is coming, as I told you, explain you yesterday also. Zero should come on the intersecting point of these two lines. Where these two lines are intersecting, the horizontal line and the vertical line, there the zero will come. I will show you my board. You please don't unmute your mic. Look here on my board where I have put the zero. Your zero is coming here up. That is wrong. You start putting your zero from here. Got it? Show me thumbs up only. Correct it now. And when you correct the zero, your all units, your all numbers will change. Please shift them and draw the bars again. Your bars also will shift. Yes, Rudra Mangukya, I'm pinning you. Good. Have you written the scaling? Show me thumbs up. Yes or no? Yes. Next is Riva. I have seen yours already. Yes. Please show me yours. Yes, Desai.
Ma'am, I am writing.
But your hand is raised. Only those whose work is done, they only will raise their hand. Otherwise, please lower down your hands. Yes, Jishna, I'm pinning you. Jishna. Okay. Where is the title, Jishna? I cannot see the title. I cannot see the scaling. I cannot see your labeling of horizontal axis and vertical axis is also not done. You will get only half marks. If the question is of 5 marks, you will get 2.5 or 2 marks. Rahil, you just come here today for the sitting only, or you are doing your work also? Yes, Mikdad, I'm pinning you. Please show me. Your screen is coming blurred, but I'm asking from you now. Have you done the scaling or title? No. Title is not there. Scaling is not there. Yes, Anvi. Where is Anvi? Anvi Kothari. I'm pinning you. Please show me your work.
Ma'am, I have not raised my hand. I'm doing now.
Okay. Next is Vivan. You do please do this sum also. Samriddhi, please show me your work now. Yes, Samriddhi, when you are drawing the bars, please pay attention here. The gap between the bars is not same. If I can see how many blocks you have left, can you please tell me how many block distance is there?
Ma'am, 5.
I'm asking on the horizontal axis.
Yeah, 4.
4 blocks. The 4 blocks gap is there in each bar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you please put it up and show me? This is only visible. Your vertical axis is visible. I want to see your full graph. This distance is not proper distance. When you see these bars, now look at my screen. I'll show you what is the problem is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Samriddhi, only Samriddhi, please listen here. Samriddhi, when you are leaving one block, then draw the bar. Then leave one block, then draw the bar. You are leaving unequal gaps in between. Sometimes you leave 2 blocks and then you're drawing a bar. Then you're leaving 3 blocks in between, then you're drawing a next block. It will be wrong. If you are keeping a 2 block distance in each bar, then always keep a 2 block distance in each bar. That is your, okay, understood what I am telling you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please correct it.
Yeah.
And always children
And
leave 1 centimeter gap here. After that only, if you start drawing the bars from here, this is also will be wrong. Leave 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter gap and then draw the bars.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Which child is this? Rudra. Okay, I'll pin you later.
Ma'am.
You have written numbers inside. Why, my dear children, did I told you to write the numbers inside the graph?
No, outside.
Laksha, I'm talking to Rudra Master only. Yes, show me again, Rudra Master. The next mistake, what is this? And why you have drawn your bar graph from down? Always draw from the middle. अच्छे से दिखेगा. It's okay, you have done from down. It is not wrong, I'm telling. But it should be presentable when you draw in the middle of the paper. अच्छे से दिखेगा, अच्छे से understandable होगा. Clear? Still it is not complete. Your title is not there, Rudra. Are you listening me, Rudra? Am I audible to you?
Ma'am, what's the title?
Yes.
What was the graph about, Vivan? What was the graph about?
Favorite color.
So what will be the title?
Favorite color.
Yes. See, children, now after doing this, I'm going to give you a quiz link in the chat box. Based on this chapter.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
I'm posting a quiz link, my dear.
Ma'am, see.
based on this chapter? I will see. Wait a minute, Nishika.
Favorite color.
Link is posted in the chat box. Very soon I'll start the quiz based on this chapter.
Ma'am, but my bar graph is left.
Okay, you please complete.
Ma'am, can I do like the time joining?
Ma'am, can you send the link
Yeah,
again?
you join first there and then you can complete it also.
Ma'am, can you send the link again?
Link is there posted again many times. Please go. And as you all know that tomorrow is your CT of this chapter. Please prepare it thoroughly.
Ma'am, you see mine?
Parinika, yes, show me. Parinika, when I see your vertical axis, I can see there are unequal gaps in between. आपने 2 सेंटीमीटर का छोड़ा है scaling. 2 blocks छोड़े हैं. Each block is of 1 centimeter. So have you? How many blocks you have, Lee? Can you please show me? Yes, again.
And Renu ma'am, I have add 2 more colors.
And when will you start?
Ma'am, can you start?
Tomorrow, like that tomorrow.
One more time? Is it correct? Ma'am, can you send the link one more time?
I will send. Wait a minute.
Is correct?
Children, when you are there in the class only, why you need the link again and again? It's there in the chat box. Go to the chat box and see.
Ma'am, my bar graph is correct.
Yeah. Attach your classwork today in the when I'll send the work to you in the classroom. Attach your classwork also so that I can able to see what you have done. I'm going to start now. I can see 32 are there.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Lama, wait a minute. Children, please enter in the quiz fast. Yes. Those who have done, they can leave. I will stop within 1 or 2 minutes.
Ma'am, you will send the result in classroom.
No.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, I can see some of you. Anvi is showing me her work. Yes, Anvi.
Bye,
Good.
ma'am.
So Anvi,
Can you show my work?
Anvi, I need to remind. Yeah, after this you can show me. Anvi, stay. I want to see your work after this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashvi, stay after the class. After this, when the game will over. I'll stop the quiz now.
Ma'am.
Very soon I'll stop the quiz.
Ma'am, see.
Bye, ma'am.
Those who want to show me work, they please stay.
Ma'am, where is the link of quiz? It is not
show you.
there only.
Ma'am, should I show you? I'm done.
Yeah, wait a minute. I'll see.
Yeah.
I'm going to end the quiz. I'll present my window.
Ma'am.
My dear, I'll come back to you. Wait a minute. So that you can see the scores. Migdad Motiwala, Vihan is first, Migdad is second, Ashvi is third. You can see your percentage of the scorings. Dhyan Dalal, 90%. Yes.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, where is the link?
My dear, where were you when I did this? Wait a minute.